Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and today I'm going to write an ordinary letter to an old friend. And with old friend, I mean an old friend. She is 76. So, of course, I can send an email, but everyone knows that it's much more fun to receive a self-created letter. And that's what I'm going to try to make. And it's not going to be a snail mail or something like that, because she doesn't want stickers, she doesn't want washi tape, she doesn't use a bullet journal or something like that. So I'm not doing something strange, or, well, not strange for us, but for her, that's not necessary. But a homemade letter, that's of course very nice. And I will create a little map, is that the right word? A little pocket. It's more a pocket where I will put a bookmark in for her, because everyone reads. It's an old friend. She lived in my village, and for many years I met her in the coffee house, and we talked. And she just moved to the other side of our country, and she's living in a small house in the garden of her daughter. And I'm creating now flowery. I don't know what the word is. Oh, no. Well, I will show you right away. And her name is Franny. That's a Dutch name, of course. Well, that you will understand. And there are little flowers. It's always a nice way to use your old papers, your leftovers, for such kind of things. And for the finishing touch, I will have a nice sticker over here. Yes, that's nice. And I've written my letter, and I like to make to put everything together by just some lines. And if you say by yourself, well, I can't do that because I never have straight lines, then it's no problem, because the second line will be in waves, and then you don't know which one is straight or which one is not straight. Well, I like it. And now it's always the art to fold it up nicely. One time it went awfully wrong. So hopefully, no, this time it's going well. But sometimes it doesn't work, you know. You have such days that you try whatever you want and it's not gonna work. And from this I will make a nice pocket to put the letter in, and that it will fit in an ordinary envelope. Oh, I hope that I can find the middle. I just did something and I don't know exactly the middle. Well, I will check it. No, the folding line was just a little bit too short. Well, now it's the same. And I'm going to cut this in like this, so that you immediately have the possibility to put something in. And I have a question for you. What do you like to make more, letters or cards? I prefer to make letters, but I'm not really a card maker. Well, I'm not a card maker, that's I think better to say. But what do you like more, cards or letters? And while I'm doing this, I thought by myself, I think I had to do that earlier. Because now I can't do this one properly. But okay, well. And the letter is going in here, and I made a nice bookmark with a lovely bird. And on top is a green button. No. I put it out so that I can make something on the front. And I will make a heart with some flowers as well. And some orange dots to cheer it up a bit. And for the accent, some green, black lines and a nice sticker to fill it up. And before I forget, I can't speak anymore. Before I forget, don't forget to subscribe and leave something in the comments. And my question for you is, what do you prefer, like a letter or a card? And subscribe to my channel. Now I will try to fix it all in the envelope. I'm going to write the address in a mall so that I can have really nice letters. No, letters is something else. Some washi tape over the address before everyone is going to send her a letter. Thank you for watching. The stamp is on top. And I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!